Hello everybody and welcome again. Today is day 0 or -1, I don't know. So we are preparing for our bike touring. We wanted to do the whole Baltic Sea in Poland, but unfortunately we wanted to start in Świnoujście. Let me see if I am pronouncing this well.
Świnoujście.
Świnoujście. So we wanted to start in Świnoujście from the German side, yeah, from the German borders, and we cycle all the way to the Russian side to Krynica Morska. So unfortunately we wanted to go first to Świnoujście, but today Adam went to buy the tickets. It is Saturday and we want to go on Monday, but they said that everything is already booked and we will not have any place for our bikes. Only we can go without our bikes and it's not possible. So now we are changing the plan. We want to go from Gdansk, the east side to the west. I don't know if it is a good idea because most of the people I've seen doing this track, they start from the German side. I don't know. So we have found 2 trains, one to Malbork, where there is the biggest castle in the world, I guess, and another one to Elbląg. Not a direct train, but we will change like twice. Twice. The one to Elbląg is more closer to the east borders, and the one to Malbork a little bit farther, but cheaper. To go to Elbląg, it is 100. So I found here 50 zlotys to get to Olsztyn, and then from Olsztyn to Elbląg, it is 21 zlotys. So each one will have to pay 70 zlotys, and the one with Malbork we pay 50 zlotys each. So we guess we will go to Malbork to save 20 zlotys and we can buy, I don't know, big falafel or big vegan burritos. Let's see. So today's video will be published tomorrow. It means on Sunday. And tomorrow on Sunday we will be packing our stuff and our clothes, food, and we'll just put them in our 2 panniers on the bike. So you need to So tomorrow on Sunday we will be packing our clothes. We put them in our panniers, we pack food, sleeping bag, tent, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And tell me if you are living somewhere, if you are Polish and living somewhere by the Baltic Sea, or you know someone who can host us, please let me know. Send me an email and tell me about it, because we have tents, we are independent, but we still want to have human contact. We want to spend time with people, so we don't want to be just alone during the whole 2 weeks of traveling. So yeah, goodbye.